Hello everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format cells in Google Sheets. We will learn how to change the font size, text color, background color, text alignment, borders, and number formats. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. Now let's enter some basic information into the spreadsheet. In the first column, type name. In the second column, type age. And in the third column, type city. For this example, we can enter John, 25, and New York. Now, let's start formatting the cells. First, select the headings at the top of the spreadsheet. Click the bold button to make the text bold. This makes the headings easier to see. Next, let's change the font size. Select the cells you want to format and look at the toolbar at the top. Find the font size option. Click it and choose a larger or smaller number. For example, you can increase the font size to make the text bigger and easier to read. You can use a larger font size for headings and a normal size for regular information. Next, let's change the text color. Select the cells and click the text color option. Choose a color from the available options. You can also change the background color of the cells. Select the cells, click the fill color option, and choose a background color. This can help highlight important information. Now, let's change the text alignment. Select the cells and use the alignment option from the toolbar. You can align the text to the left, center, or right. For this example, let's center the text inside the selected cells. Next, let's add borders. Select the cells and click the borders option. Choose the border style you want to apply. Borders can make your spreadsheet look more organized and easier to read. Now, let's look at number formatting. Select a cell that contains a number. Then open the Format menu and go to Number. Here, you can choose different number formats, such as number, percent, currency, and date. Select the format you need, and Google Sheets will change the way the information is displayed. These formatting tools allow you to customize your spreadsheet in many different ways. You can change the font size, text color, background color, alignment, borders, and number formats. Using these options, you can create a clean and organized spreadsheet that is easier to read and understand. I hope this guide helped you learn how to format cells in Google Sheets. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.